The brass band. You can't have a brass band of standard caliber without a bandmaster who can handle the lads in the band. The bandmaster should be a past master at organizing and at commanding attention of lads apt to be distracted and lacking in gravity, and perhaps refractory rather than bad. It's sad to see a bandmaster handling lads as if he had no grasp of the manner or knack of handling refractory lads. He must plan with sagacity to have them acknowledge the advantages of granting attention and practice. On the other hand, the lads that can't grant attention and can't practice steadfastly, as if they can't stand the taxing demand of practice, should be made to understand the madness of their attitude. Lads that hanker after appearances at band concerts before they have advanced ought to be banished to a land where they can annoy no man and can batter and massacre stanza after stanza of the classical masters. And it would be hazardous at that, as their clamorous pandemonium might attract savages from adjoining lands to attack and strangle them, to smash their bandstand, to shatter their band instruments, scattering every scrap of tambourine, clarinet, and saxophone, past all chances of being gathered again as an act of charity to humanity.